In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Webflow. By the end, you'll know two clean ways to keep a page out of sight: password protecting it, or saving it as a draft so it doesn't publish. First, head to your Webflow dashboard and open the site you want to work on in the designer. Once the designer loads, look to the left toolbar and open the Pages panel. This is where all your static and CMS pages live. Find the page you want to hide. In my example, I'll use a page named Demo, but you can follow along with any page in your project. Hover over the page name and open its settings. Inside the page settings, look for the Access or Protection options. To hide the page behind a gate, choose the option that limits access to anyone with the password. Selecting that tells Webflow to keep the page private unless a visitor has the key. When prompted, set a strong password and keep it somewhere secure so your team can access the page when needed. This approach is great when you still want the page live for select stakeholders, but not visible to the public or search engines. If you want a quick visual confirmation of what this setting looks like in practice, there's a time-stamped reference around the 246 mark in a related walkthrough. Jumping to that simply highlights the same protection control we just used. It's not required, but it can be helpful if you're double-checking the interface. Now, let's look at the second option, saving the page as a draft. Go back to the Pages panel, open the same page settings again, and choose Save as Draft. Draft status keeps the page from being included the next time you publish your site. This is ideal for content that isn't ready yet, or for pages you want to pull down temporarily without deleting anything. Remember that draft is typically used for content that you don't want publicly accessible at all. Unlike password protection, there's no way for visitors to reach it, even if they had a link. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Preview the site in the designer to confirm the page is hidden from navigation as expected. If you're collaborating, let teammates know whether the page is password protected or in draft, so there's no confusion. And when you're ready for the change to take effect on your live site, publish your updates as usual. That's it. Use password protection when you need controlled access, and use draft when the page shouldn't be live at all.